I have got a special treat for you today. This is my sister Alecia's recipe that's easy, delicious, raw, fermented, vegan, gluten-free, all of the free good stuff, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen, we make delicious, healthy recipes to keep you inspired, motivated, and on track. So today we are going to be making Alecia's raw fermented cashew yogurt. Let's begin by taking 2 cups of raw cashews and placing them into a glass bowl. Cashews are rich in iron and copper that can help boost your energy levels and oxygen levels by supporting healthy red blood cells. Next, we're going to cover the cashews with filtered water and then let them sit for about 2 hours to soften up. After soaking, drain out the water and rinse off really well. Place your cashews into the blender and cover with more filtered water until it's about 1/2 of an inch above the cashews. Blend up really well until a silky smooth consistency is reached. Pour your cashew mixture into a glass bowl and then cover with either a clean cloth, nut milk bag, or plastic wrap and seal around the edges. Leave your cashews out to ferment for about 24 hours, being sure that they are not in the direct sunlight. You will notice small bubbles forming. This is the fermentation taking place. The longer you ferment your cashews, the more sour they will become. So if you live in a warmer climate, the fermentation process takes a shorter amount of time. And conversely, if you live in a cooler climate, the fermentation will take longer. You can store your cashew yogurt in the refrigerator in a covered container for up to 2 weeks. Okay, it's been 24 hours, and if you notice, the yogurt had really small bubbles forming. That's the fermentation. You could actually let it ferment another 24 hours if you want it to become more sour. It's just completely up to you. And remember to store it in the refrigerator in a covered container. So now, how do you eat it? You could make it into a flavored yogurt by putting some of the yogurt into a blender and your favorite fruit, blending it up, and voila, delicious. You can have it in recipes in the place of sour cream, things like that, so putting it in your soup. And then also, growing up, my dad always made us fruit salads, so I'm not surprised that Alecia came up with this amazing yogurt and turned it into a fruit salad. I've got some bananas and apples, and then you just mix it together with the yogurt and top it with your favorite nuts. I put in a little bit of shredded coconut, some cinnamon, walnuts, and I cannot wait to try it. So first I'm just going to try the yogurt by itself. It's got a really smooth, mild flavor. Really delicious. So it's not real strong in any flavor. I think that's why it's going to be great to use in recipes. Okay, now let's try the fruit salad. That is fantastic. It's not super sweet. The only thing sweet is the fruit that you're using. This yogurt is not going to add sweetness to it. It's just going to add just a little bit of a sour, tart, a little bit mild, creamy flavor. So good. And I definitely recommend adding some coconut and some cinnamon and some nuts to give it some crunch, or some seeds. But this one is a must. It's so easy to make. Give it a try and then let me know how it goes for you. Thanks so much for being with me here today. Please take great care of yourself this week. Join me next week in the kitchen, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Bye-bye.